back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with more daily work from home job leads for you. I think I have 6 different job leads in this video. These are all going to be part-time remote work from home jobs, so you have some options if you're looking for something to work part-time. Most of these don't require a college degree. I think one might. And I'm going to try to get through these as quickly as possible, not to waste anyone's time. So I don't have the Glassdoor pages for these companies pulled up, but please, as always, do your own research on any companies before giving them your personal information. Just know that I don't work for any of these companies. I just simply share what I find online, trying to help you find the best remote work from home job for you. The links to all these pages, if you do want to put that application in, though, is linked directly in the YouTube description box below this video. And I do just ask that if you enjoy any of these, please give this video a thumbs up, like button. That does give me that direct feedback. And if you know anybody who could benefit from these, share with all your friends and family so we can all work from home, living our happiest, healthiest life. I am going to do my best to remember to put the timestamps also down in the description box. So if you come across one that is not for you, you can just go ahead and move on to the next one. Don't have to listen to me ramble if you don't want to. But first up, we have the company Quip. Quip is hiring a customer experience specialist. This is going to be a seasonal part-time position. Now, Quip designs and delivers products and services to keep your mouth healthy. And so they are looking for somebody to provide expert advice and troubleshooting to their customers through email and chat. So it sounds like most of this is going to be a non-phone customer service position. Now, they are hiring remote. They are looking for somebody to work 30 hours a week starting on October 16th, going through January 12th. This is going to be for that holiday season. They're paying $16 an hour. Do have state restrictions. They can only hire in certain states. Those are Alabama, Arizona, Arkansas, Colorado, Washington, D.C., Florida, Georgia, Hawaii, Idaho, Indiana, Maryland, Montana, New Hampshire, New Jersey, New York, North Carolina, Oregon, Texas, Utah, West Virginia, and Wisconsin. But they're basically looking for somebody to respond again to those customer inquiries through email and chat to ensure that all customers have a unique and memorable experience with their brand. You're going to ensure you're always up to date on topics, training resources, product updates, and changes in any SOP, consistently maintaining productivity and quality expectations by reaching daily case solve goals. So they are looking for somebody who has 1 year of customer care or support experience. Prior experience providing a customer service with an e-commerce business is a plus, but not required. They do want somebody who knows how to use Zendesk, who has flexibility to work weekend and holiday shifts, has great people skills, and a strong passion for customer service, but no degree is needed. Moving right along, we have the company UW Health hiring a service desk specialist part-time. These are all going to be remote for the United States only, but they are looking for somebody to work 16 hours a week, Monday through Friday, between the hours of 8 a.m. to noon. So this is a morning-only position. It says they can work remotely from most states, so they don't really have a lot of state restrictions. But they are basically looking for somebody to provide a technical support to their hospital staff of approximately 1,500 applications through phone conversation, email inquiry, and self-service incident tickets. So you're going to be on the phone with this one. You're going to provide that technical support through clinical applications, including Epic. Now, the hospital system that I do work for full-time is on Epic. It's this large system that includes medical records and the charges, the billing. It's just a complete system that the hospitals use. Someone who can analyze and diagnose those technical issues. Now, this one is looking for an associate's degree in either healthcare or IT or business or some kind of related field. They will take 2 years of experience and education in lieu of a degree. So you don't have to have a degree if you have at least 2 years of experience. Of course, they are looking for somebody who can use those Microsoft Office applications, Word, Excel, someone who can work with a ticketing system, and of course, someone who can troubleshoot common IT issues. Now, pay for this position is listed all the way down at the bottom, but it's anywhere from $20.80 an hour all the way up to $31.19 an hour. If healthcare is not your thing, though, but you're a whiz at all these new social media platforms that we have seen pop up over the last few years, this one might be for you. The company BDG is hiring a part-time social media assistant. They're looking for somebody to execute their day-to-day posting and scheduling for their Facebook and Twitter, along with creating visual content for Instagram and TikTok. You'll also come up with new ideas and pitch those for those social concepts. You'll coordinate any social strategy with the team using analytical tools to track the growth and success across all social media channels, making sure the content and ideas that you're coming up with is working and growing that database and those social channels, and you'll do outreach as needed to Flipboard or Apple News. Now, they are looking for somebody who has 1 to 2 years of working in social media, somebody who has the ability to write copy, someone who can understand a voice and a passion using those social media platforms and relate that to an audience. Of course, you got to have an advanced knowledge of consumer tech products and great communication skills. Because you are creating content for TikTok, you do need to have basic video editing skills. But this position pays anywhere from $28.85 an hour all the way up to $29 an hour. But if the financial space is more your thing, the company Grow Financial Federal Credit Union is hiring a part-time call center relationship specialist. Now, one thing to quickly note, they do have some state restrictions. They are listed right here. So this is going to be a part-time position, not to exceed 25 hours a week. You're basically just going to be providing a friendly, competent, professional customer service to those credit union members through telephone or written correspondence rather, sorry. You will cross-sell those credit union products and services, like sign people up for loans, credit cards, things like that, while you're helping them with their issues. So they may be calling in for account questions, account balance, anything like that. While this does not require a college degree, they do prefer one, but they accept high school diploma and 1 to 3 years of sales or service experience. Other than that, you have to have great communication skills, be able to be a multitasker, and they prefer somebody who is bilingual, but again, that's not required. You do have to know how to use those Windows-based PC products. Next up, we have another social media position. Minute Media Brands is hiring a social media associate part-time. But they are looking for somebody to be responsible for assisting in the execution of their editorial vision by distributing content from Minute Media Brands to their network of social media sites. You're going to maintain constant communication between the social media associates and the fan-sided editorial team to distribute trending articles as soon as they are written. So when the editorial team finishes writing an article, they'll pass it on to you, and you will get those posted to the social media accounts. You're going to also use Google Analytics and Facebook Insights reporting to manage the data and insights into any trends and into anything that has been posted to see how it is helping. You'll research specific sports influencers and proactively search and distribute posts across the fan-sided network as well. Now, this position is paying anywhere from $15.50 an hour all the way up to $16.50 an hour. They're looking for somebody to work at least 20 to 29 hours a week. They're specifically looking for somebody, though, who has a passion and intermediate knowledge for all major professional sports, someone who can closely follow directions, someone who has great attention to detail and the ability to meet deadlines, multitasking, and working in a fast-paced environment. It's nice to have 1 to 2 years of social media experience, but it is not required. Also, no degree is required. If you do have any marketing experience, though, this next one might just be for you. TEK Systems is hiring a part-time marketing manager. Now, this is a contract part-time position, 20 hours a week. It is fully remote, and they're hiring throughout the United States, but you do need to align and work the Pacific Standard Time hours and schedule. They're looking for somebody, though, to manage the marketing activities and programs for the organization. You'll help develop and implement any marketing plans to serve business objectives, staying up on changes in the marketing environment, and coordinating those marketing resources research projects. You'll help select and manage ongoing relationships with different marketing vendors, overseeing the advertising, events, and public relationships. Now, they are looking for somebody who has 7 years experience with storytelling or internal communications, somebody who can work with Google tools like Slides, Sheets, Docs, that is Google's version of like the Microsoft Office applications, someone who understands communication, someone who has great storytelling skills and excellent influencing skills, so you have the ability to persuade somebody to go your way. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I owe you a huge thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Don't forget, you can always feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. Even if I'm not always responding, I do read those and keep a running list and keep my eye out. But if you enjoyed this video or any of these job leads, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like button, share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.